Essential oils are plant extracts made from flowers, leaves, and seeds. Some may have properties that can treat certain skin conditions. If you're interested in trying essential oils specific to your skin concerns, there are 5 types of healthy skin: normal, dry, oily, combination, both oily and dry skin, and sensitive. Number 1 Essential oil for normal skin. This relatively rare skin type is characterized by a state of harmony. The skin's oils are perfectly balanced, leading to a naturally radiant and healthy-looking complexion. To maintain a normal skin type, try these essential oils. Lavender essential oil, a truly classic oil in skincare. It supports optimal hydration and the skin's natural healthful state. Neroli essential oil has natural cleansing and antioxidant qualities, and also helps balance surface oils. Geranium essential oil helps regulate skin oils and also has anti-inflammatory properties which can minimize potential issues such as acne or sensitivities. Number 2 Essential oils for dry skin. Dry skin can occur during certain times of the year, as well as in desert-like climates. You may even have dry skin naturally from age or reduced activity in the sebaceous oil glands in your pores. Dry skin is often remedied with creams and moisturizers, but some essential oils could provide relief. Lavender. You may have heard about using lavender for sleep and relaxation, but this multi-purpose oil may also help balance out moisture levels in your skin. Chamomile. Chamomile oil contains ursulene, known for increasing moisture and reducing inflammation. However, you may want to avoid it if you have ragweed allergies, as chamomile may be a trigger. Sandalwood. Sandalwood contains compounds known for reducing inflammation while promoting moisture in the skin. Number 3 Essential oils for oily skin. If you have oily skin, your sebaceous glands are in overdrive, creating excessive oil on the surface of your skin. Factors like humidity, heat, and hormones can make oily skin worse. The following essential oils may help alleviate oily skin issues. Clary sage oil. Containing active compounds like linolyl acetate and geraniol, clary sage is known as a go-to essential oil for controlling excess sebum. Clary sage may also help control acne and reduce the appearance of wrinkles in mature skin. Frankincense oil. Although research of frankincense in skincare is lacking, advocates say it can help alleviate oily and acne-prone skin while providing lipid. Neroli oil. Neroli is another essential oil that contains citral. It may help balance out sebum without drying your skin. Number 4 Essential oil for combination skin. Combination skin is that is both oily and dry, with oiliness occurring mostly in the T-zone area. People with this type of skin may be prone to occasional breakouts as well as wrinkles. In taking care of combination skin, the goal is to balance oil production, keep the skin clean, and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Lavender, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties to treat excess sebum. Sandalwood, retain skin's moisture, help reduce damage by free radicals. Bergamot, slow down production of oil for sebum overproduction skin, and clean the skin by disinfecting it from bacteria and toxin. Number 5 Best essential oils for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin can be either dry or oily, and can sometimes occur alongside allergies, eczema, and other skin conditions. If you have sensitive skin, you'll want to steer clear of oils that are highly acidic, such as lemon and lemongrass. The following oils are considered safe for all skin types: lavender oil, frankincense, sandalwood. How to use essential oils. Essential oils are either inhaled or used directly on the body. It's not safe to ingest them. When applying the oils topically to your skin, be sure to use a patch test ahead of time to make sure you're not allergic, and don't use them around your eyes. A patch test involves placing a small amount of the diluted essential oil on your skin, say your forearm. Wait 24 hours to check for allergic reaction before using on a larger area of skin. How to make a serum. For a gentle facial serum that can be used in the daytime or at night, pour 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce or roughly 2 tablespoons, of your desired carrier oils into a small dropper bottle, followed by 6 drops of an essential oil or essential oil blend. Cap the bottle well before shaking thoroughly to blend all the ingredients. To use, apply 4 drops onto a freshly cleansed face and lightly massage until fully absorbed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates.